This video demonstrates healthy hip swaddling technique and Pavlik harness application. We will now begin Pavlik harness application demonstration. Shown here are the appropriate supplies. They include Pavlik harness, a pair of long socks, and a t-shirt that does not have snaps or buttons that go across the chest or the shoulders. The socks shown here allow the toes to be exposed. If you are using socks that cover the toes, it's important to check the toes daily when the Pavlik comes off to make sure that there aren't any hairs or other fibers that are constricting circulation to the toes. The Pavlik harness is spread out across a soft surface as shown here, and the child is placed upon it. The chest strap goes across the nipple line. This should allow for 2 finger breadths between the strap and the chest itself, and the upper shoulder straps are placed first. The shoulder straps should be placed so that the Velcro is away from the child's neck towards the lateral aspect of the shoulders. This will protect the child from getting scratched by the Velcro in the straps. Next, the lower extremity straps go on. The ankle is dorsiflexed and the heel hook is placed, and the strap is applied. Once that's on, the upper strap should be applied. The part of the strap that goes around the calf should not be higher than the popliteal fossa. Otherwise it could cause some skin irritation in the back of the thigh. Process is repeated on the opposite leg. And the front leg straps are attached in the last step. Once the front leg straps are in place, the chest strap can be flattened down across the top of the leg strap, and the harness can be tested for fit. When testing the Pavlik harness for proper fit, the legs should form an upside down T with the center line of the body, and the knees should not be able to be moved closer together than the width of a person's fist. This concludes the section on Pavlik harness application, and we will now demonstrate the healthy hip swaddling technique. The primary difference between the healthy hip swaddling technique and traditional swaddling technique is that the legs are not held together with the knees in extension. The healthy hip swaddling technique bundles the upper torso and arms while allowing the legs to remain abducted. This has been a demonstration of the proper Pavlik harness application and healthy hip swaddling technique. Thank you.